In medieval Europe, science was heavily influenced by the teaching of Greek and Roman philosophers such as Aristotle, Ptolemy, and Galen. However, the development of the science was often limited by the influence of the Catholic Church, which rejected binding the contradicted the doctrines. As a result, much of science developed in the Middle East and Asia. The situation began to change in the 14th century with the emergence of humanism, new discovery, and the war expedition, including the discovery of the American continent. This change sparked the scientific revolution in the 19th to 17th century, where scientific methods based on observation and experimentation replaced traditional ways of thinking that relied on auditory and conjecture. This scientific revolution is often associated with Nicolaus Copernicus, who in 1543 introduced the heliocentric theory, namely that the sun is the center of the solar system. This theory was later developed by Johannes Kepler, who discovered the law of planetary motion, and Galileo Galilei, who provided strong evidence through telescopic observation and physical experiment. René Descartes also contributed with his rationality of proof, while Isaac Newton perfected this revolution by formulating the law of universal gravitation and the basics of physics. This scientific revolution changed the way humans understood the world, from being based on religious doctrine to being more rational, empirical, and based on real evidence. The scientific method that developed during this period became the basis for the advancement of modern science and continue to be used today. The Enlightenment or Upheaval was a significant period in the history of human thought in the century. The revelation and revelation the basis of knowledge. Philosophers can David Hume and Immanuel Kant developed ideas about question and relationship between experience and reason. This movement developed in Europe, especially in France and England, emphasizing liberty, progress, tolerance, and expression of gods and states. One of the main characteristics of the Enlightenment was the application of the scientific method and reductionist approach, which coincided with the increasing critical attitude towards religious doctrine. Scientific method and rational efforts came stronger, weakening the doctrine of the modes and the curse, and recording fresh political revelation. Thinkers such as Voltaire, Rousseau, and Montesquieu influencing modern political concepts, including the separation of power and chivalry. In addition, the Enlightenment spread social change and political reform. The fulfilled is welfare of the people. Its major influence in the American Revolution and the French Revolution. The Enlightenment made up space for freedom of thought, rejected old dogma, and encouraged rational evidence in various fields. With the spirit of several art or dare to think for your life, this era brought about major change in science, political, economics, and philosophy that are still influential today. The scientific revolution of the 17th century and the Enlightenment of the 18th century had a profound impact. It was not only felt at the time, but its impact can be felt to this day. The development of knowledge has undergone significant change due to the scientific revolution, which transformed the way humans understand the universe through discovery made by figures such as Copernicus, Galileo, and Newton. The scientific method, which emphasized experimentation and observation, became the foundation of the advancement of knowledge during this period. Copernicus introduced the heliocentric theory in astronomy, setting the sun at the center of the solar system and the Earth, along with other planets orbit around it. Galileo conducted experimentation in physics, such as his study on the speed at which objects fall, demonstrating the object of different masses fall at the same rate due to gravity. Isaac Newton formulated fundamental laws of physics that govern the motion of objects in the universe, including the universal law of gravitation, which states that every particle attracts every other particle with a force proportional to their dimensions and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. In the 18th century, the Enlightenment has a major impact the development of knowledge, particularly with the emergence of thinkers such as Voltaire, Rousseau, and Montesquieu. They encouraged society to think rationally on a reliable evidence, replacing unquestioned beliefs such as religion, doctrine, or traditional. These thinkers believed that by thinking critical and observing the world around them, knowledge could be acquired. The Enlightenment also emphasized the importance of intellectual freedom and pursuit of knowledge without fear of punishment or restriction imposed by authority. The scientific revolution of the 17th century had a significant impact, particularly with the emergence of various inventions such as separating telescope by Isaac Newton, the microscope, the barometer, the thermometer, the pendulum clock, the air pump, and the balance spring watch. This invention not only expanded human understanding of the universe but also provided tools that accelerate advancement in science and technology. In the following period, the Age of Enlightenment, thinkers such as Voltaire, Rousseau, and Montesquieu emphasized the importance of freedom of thought, rationality, and experimentation as foundation for improving the quality of life. The scientific mindset that developed during this era paved the way for technological progress, including the invention of the steam engine by James Watt, which later became the driving force of industrial revolution and spurred rapid innovation across various fields. The scientific revolution and the Enlightenment had a profound impact on the development of modern civilization, transforming the way humans understood nature, society, and governance. In the 17th century, the scientific revolution led by figures such as Copernicus, Galileo, and Newton reflected the geocentric worldview with the heliocentric concept and introduced the scientific method which emphasized observation and experimentation. This change followed advancement in the science and technology, which later contributed to the Industrial Revolution and economic growth. Meanwhile, the Enlightenment emphasized the importance of rational thinking and individual freedom, with thinkers such as John Locke and Immanuel Kant developing ideas about human rights, democratic governance, and the separation of powers. This idea also inspired political revolutions such as France and American Revolution and brought significant change to modern legal system. Overall, these two historical movements introduced new ideas that laid the foundation for the modern world in the field of science, politics, and society, creating a more rational, knowledge-based, and democracy-oriented society.